Hey experts, if you've been leading projects for years, managing large teams, handling complex timelines, and dealing with multiple stakeholders, then you're already doing the hard stuff. Now it's time to get officially certified and add PMP next to your name. Let's break it down into 5 clear steps. No jargon, no fluff. Step 1. Accept that you're ready. You're not starting from scratch. You already have the experience. Now, it's about packaging that experience into the PMP format. This step is all about mindset. You've got the skills. You just need the PMP structure, language, and approach. So first, commit. You're more ready than you think. Step 2. Confirm your eligibility. With your experience, you're probably already eligible. Check this quickly. If you have a bachelor's degree, you need 36 months of project management experience. If you have a diploma, or 12th, you'll need 60 months. And yes, 35 hours of project management education is required. You've likely already worked these months. Now it's time to formalize them. Step 3. Choose a fast, focused study path. As an expert, you don't need to learn basics. You need PMI's exam language. Do this. Pick a PMI-authorized training or crash course. Go for a boot camp or accelerated course, online or live. Focus your study on PMBOK 7 principles, agile and hybrid frameworks, mock tests, and scenario-based questions. Use your real-life experience to relate to the concepts. It'll stick faster. Step 4. Fill the application like a pro. This is where your experience needs to be presented the PMI way. Keep it simple. Go to pmi.org, make an account, add your education, experience, and training hours. When writing about projects, use PMI keywords like defined scope, managed risks, led cross-functional teams. Treat your application like your first PMP test, clear, structured, and confident. Step 5. Take the exam strategically. Now comes the exam, 180 questions, 230 minutes. Here's how to crush it. Do at least 3 full mock exams. Focus on situation-based questions. Train your brain to think in the PMI mindset. Use the people, process, business domain structure to answer logically. You're not just passing an exam, you're proving years of work in one sitting. You've already done the job. PMP just gives you the global badge to prove it. It tells employers, I don't just manage projects, I do it by the book and better. If this helped simplify things for you, don't forget to like this video and, of course, subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides